guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a video, as you can probably tell from the title of this video, where I try to follow Smashbox's makeup tutorials. So if you want to see me following Smashbox's makeup tutorials, then keep on watching. So Smashbox's makeup tutorials aren't exactly like a typical makeup tutorial. They're like a couple minutes long, but at max, and they give you like super fast and easy eye looks. So I'm just kind of want to test out like how easy they actually are, and I'm not sure if I want to do like one or more, so I guess we'll just kind of see as we go along. So yeah, I've kind of seen a couple of them and they seem really interesting, like makeup looks that I've never seen done before. So I think this will be fun and interesting, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. So I'm gonna log onto YouTube. I'll just do a quick search here of Smashbox. Go straight onto their YouTube channel, and I'm just gonna go through their videos. So you can see that they're all like 20 seconds, 40 seconds. They're pretty much less than a minute. Okay, I'm just gonna start with this Major Metals one. And let's just get into it, I guess. They also don't have any like full face makeup tutorials. It's like focusing on one thing, so that's why I already have my face makeup on. So this one is using the Major Metals palette from Smashbox, which I really like. It's gorgeous and shimmery and beautiful, but I'm curious to see how they do this, because normally if I was creating a look with this, I would use another palette with mattes in it and then use this as like as like the lid shade or something. But the look that they created is using only this palette, so I'm interested to see how it will turn out.
Hey, it's Ash K. Holm. I'm at Smashbox Studios LA to show you how to get a super metallic look using the Cover Shop Major Metals eyeshadow palette.
I don't know why. I don't know why her palette looked different than mine. This is Major Metals.
Hey, it's Ash K. Holm. I'm at Smashbox Studios LA to show you how to get a super metallic look using the Cover Shop Major Metals eyeshadow palette.
Her palette looks the same as mine. I don't know why hers is a different like color. I think it's still the same palette, I'm pretty sure, so.
I'm starting off with 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. It creates a smooth base and locks on my shadow. I personally love to use a concealer brush because I can get right around those hard to reach areas of the eye.
So I also have the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer because it is my favorite shadow primer of all time. If you don't have this, I highly recommend getting it. I'll insert a picture of swatches with it and without it. It makes a huge difference. Oh my gosh. Like, you need to pick this up if you don't have it. It's amazing. I'm putting it on the back of my hand just like she did. I'm gonna go in with a brush and put it on. I've never done this. You can just put it on with your fingers. That's what I do. And it's totally fine. But I'm gonna do what she does. Eyeshadow primer is so good. Think I got that down.
Using a crease brush, sweep rose plated from your upper lash line to your natural crease.
Using a what brush?
Using a crease brush, sweep rose plated from your upper lash line to your natural crease.
Upper lash line to natural crease. So like when I apply eyeshadow, like my transition shade and my crease shade, I usually put it above my crease so that my eye looks more open and bigger. But she says natural crease. It looks like she's going above the crease, right? Am I crazy?
From your upper lash line to your natural crease.
Yeah, she definitely is going over the crease a little bit. Let's just see what happens. No, that's natural crease. So I'm taking rose plated, which is this color right there, on my crease brush and sweeping it from my upper lash line to my natural crease. Okay, so honestly I thought this video was going to be like super short because The videos are like a minute long, but so far this is taking me quite a while. Okay, so I went a little bit above my crease because that's what it looked like she did, so hopefully that's right. Okay. So, moving on.
Now taking a smudger brush, I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow along the lower lash line.
Okay, I knew that. So I'm using a pencil brush instead of a smudger brush because I don't have a smudger brush with me right now. Okay, moving on.
Next, I'm going to apply Heat Index with a smoky shadow brush to my inner corner and extend outward. I'm softly pressing the brush into the crease of the eye and bringing it no higher. Now using my smoky shadow brush, I'm gonna softly blend the edges. I'm going to bring down Heat Index underneath my eyes just to give it a little cranberry pop.
Okay, so I believe this is the brush that she was using. This is my Smashbox Shadow Intensifier brush. So this is the shade that she was using, Heat Index. She said this time definitely don't go higher than the crease. So I'm gonna do that. Oh gosh, how do I do this? Okay. All these shadows are so beautiful. Their shimmer shadows are my favorite formula. I feel like I'm getting higher than the crease. Okay. So I'm gonna take a shadow intensifier brush and blend the edges in the inner corner. She kind of went in far in the inner corner. Oh god, that looks really bad. Oh no. Okay, I don't know. I feel like this is not going well. Am I supposed to do both eyes right now?
Using my full coverage shadow brush, I'm gonna softly pat garnet all on the outer corner of my eye. I'm just gonna create an outer wing. I'm going to take a smudger brush and just wrap this right around my eye, really smoking out that outer corner of the eye. You can go back in with your fluffy brush and softly buff out the outer edges.
So I'm gonna take Garnet All, this super dark purple, and I'm gonna try to make a wing with it. So wish me luck. I'm gonna kind of attempt to do it how I would normally do a wing, which is extending the line from my waterline up like that. I think I'm gonna cheat a little bit. An angled brush and kind of just make an outline real quick before I do this. And then I take a fluffy brush and blend out the edges, I believe. Okay, that kind of looks like what she did. It's not that bad. Oh, does not look like hers at all.
Now for my favorite part, you get to use your fingers and use Out of This World on the center of your lid. This molten metallic shade is really fun to do because it's so richly pigmented.
I think I can do this step. So this is Out of This World. Right here, I'm just gonna use my finger. So she placed this around the center of her eyelid. Let's see what she does next.
Using my multitasking detail brush, I'm going to take Out of This World and press it on the center of my eye underneath the lower lash line, just to make the top of the eye look very cohesive with the bottom of the eye.
So I actually do have this brush. This is one of my favorite brushes ever. This is the multitasking detail brush from Smashbox. I've talked about it in another video. I use it for my face, I use it for my eyes. I clean it in between. It's just a really good brush for pretty much anything. So I'm just dipping that into Out of This World. Okay, let's see what she does next.
Now going in with my contour brush, I'm just gonna lightly break out the edges. Now we're talking.
So I'm gonna use this to just kind of deepen up the colors and blend out the edges and all of that. It's just like touch it up a little bit.
I'm gonna go in with my Super Fan mascara just to flare out the lashes.
Okay, so we're gonna flare out the lashes. This is actually my favorite mascara from Smashbox, the Super Fanned Out Mascara. Okay, mascara always does wonders to bring a look together. So I'm assuming the other eye is next.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the other eye.
Okay, so I'm just gonna finish off the other eye then. Okay, oh, I don't like it. Let's see what else she has to say here.
This is definitely a going out look that I'd wear with an all black outfit to really let my eyes stand out.
Okay, so she didn't talk about lips at all. This is the lipstick that I've been wearing pretty much constantly. It is the Los Angeles in the shade 72 in Honey, which is just a really pretty nude. So I'm gonna put that on. Can't go wrong with a nude lip, right?
This is definitely a going out look that I'd wear with an all black outfit to really let my eyes stand out.
I'm gonna go put on an all black outfit. So I put on a black tank top and a black sweater that isn't even mine, it's my sister's. Because I apparently own one black shirt and it's dirty. Definitely does look better with a black shirt though. So that look was far more difficult than I anticipated, but I actually really like how it turned out. I think it looks cool and like bold and very different from what I would normally do. Normally do a metallic eyeshadow in your crease and outer corner because it reflects light in places that you want to contour. Same logic that you wouldn't use highlight instead of contour, you know? But I honestly don't notice that it looks bad or anything. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, so that was pretty fun. It took a lot longer than I anticipated, so I'm gonna leave it at that one makeup tutorial. If you guys liked this and wanted to see me do more of these videos, then I would definitely like to. I thought it was fun. I just don't have time for it in one video or it'll be super long. So if you want to see me trying out more of Smashbox's makeup tutorials, then just let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure to come check out the Smashbox display in the Wildcat Shop. We have a lot of cool stuff and lots of other makeup. We just got a huge shipment from Burt's Bees, and I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.